Hi there, calculus students. I did get a request to look at problem 20 from the homework set in lesson 3.9. So that's what this video is about. We have the formula y equals x log x minus x, and we're supposed to find a slope formula for that. Just out of curiosity, I opened up Desmos and I typed in that formula, and this is the graph that it produced. And so we would like to find a formula that gives us the slope of this curve at any point. So let's see if we can do that. All right. So looking at this first component, this is the product of x and log x. So we need the product rule to find the derivative. Here goes. The derivative of the first, slope of x is 1, times the second, plus the derivative of the second, derivative of log x is 1 over x, times the first, minus the slope of x, which is 1. Okay, and that formula should give us the slope. But just because maybe it's easy to do, we can go ahead and simplify this. Not because we have to, but just because it looks easy. So 1 times log x is log x. 1 divided by x times x gives 1. And when we take away 1, we get 0. So the slope formula for this curve is log of x. Now let's do a quick check to see if that is reasonable. Recall that log x is just the inverse of the exponential e to the x, okay, and we know that e to the 0 is 1. In other words, the exponential graph goes through the point 0, 1. And that tells us that the log graph should hit 1, 0, if it's the inverse function. And so, in summary, we know that the log of 1 is 0. And so I'm just kind of checking my work here. If I write 1 for x, we get 0. So let's see if that's really true. All right, what I just learned was that specifically when x is 1, the slope y prime is 0. And looking back at our graph, okay, here we have 0, here we have 2, 1 is halfway between. I'm going to the place where x is 1, and I see that the slope is indeed 0. And so that gives me a sense of confidence that this is in fact the right answer. I hope you found that helpful. See you later.